Good morning. We're on another adventure together. Today we're going to be taking the train to Los Angeles, maybe look at Little Tokyo, and for sure Grand Central Station because that's where we end. What else is down there? Your favorite place?
Street.
Olvera Street.
Philippe's.
And Philippe's, famous for their French dips. We did stop at Del Taco this morning for Breakfast of Champions. Had to go get a small quesadilla and some fries just to kind of hold us over because we think we're probably not going to eat until noon, and it's barely, or 1 o'clock or so, it's barely 8:30, 8:45 right now. So, but this is the interesting thing. We live really close to the Fullerton train station, but we had never taken the train out of the Anaheim train station. So today we decided to do something new and come out of the ARTIC, which is there, which is a really pretty train station, especially at nighttime. So let's go start our adventure. So it's kind of neat in here. They have an Annie Ann's and a pink berry in case you want to snack before you get on the train. I just love the architecture. In a minute. Right now we're going to go up the stairs because it's a new year and the escalator isn't working, so we really don't have a choice. Here we go. You can see there's snow on the mountains. The Honda Center is right across the street. To the west of us is Anaheim Stadium, home of our Anaheim Angels, who will be with us here in Anaheim now. They just signed a new agreement to keep us here until well after I die, so that's great news for me. Well, that was exciting. It's a lot of stairs. Yeah, you could really come up here. Oh, especially at Anaheim Stadium. Disneyland's just, well, a little bit over to the west where that crane is, if you can see the crane, which is about right there. So I'm thinking now we need to go down track 1 to Los Angeles. All right, here we go. So the Amtrak Surfliner comes in here as well into the Arctic. I usually take the train when I go visit my parents. That's kind of a neat way to travel. No muss, no fuss. You don't have to worry about the weather, traffic. Get on the train at night and in the morning you get to where you're going. Where are you? We made it on the train. Yay! We're in Fullerton. made it to Union Station. Just got off the train. Us and our 500 favorite friends. We're on our way down below, and we'll catch up with you. So we're inside old Union Station here in Los Angeles, and just look at the architecture on this building and the lights. Now, when I was a kid and came here to Union Station, there used to be these old television monitors that you would put a dime into, and you could watch your television show or sports show, whatever was on back in the day, with only 3 channels available. And I specifically remember watching a game show. Love this building. Just entering Olvera Street. This is the center promenade area. Still have their nativity scene set up in the gazebo. So on the south side of Olvera Street, we found the original Philippe's, famous for their French dip sandwiches. We're gonna go in and possibly split one, maybe get our own, we'll see. Welcome to Philippe's, Los Angeles. So they have the old-time phones here. Some people don't know what phones are other than the ones that are in your pocket. This is pretty cool. Welcome to Philippe's, where they're famous for their beef dip. Old-time ordering here. You get in line and you go up to the counter to order. They have famous potato salad, coleslaw, desserts. Now when you order your beef dip or your pork dip or your lamb dip, maybe pastrami, ham dip, turkey dip, you need to make sure you ask for a single dip, double dip, or wet, which just means that they're going to dump half of the bread, either the top half or bottom or both, in the au jus to make sure that you have a very flavorful sandwich. This is an amazing place here. If you get a chance, Philippe's in Los Angeles, across from Union Station. As you exit, make sure that you look for t-shirts, memorabilia. See Philippe, the original, since 1908, home of the French dip. You can get a coffee mug, baseball hats, old-time candies. You can get an apron for cooking. And don't forget to look at the memorabilia on the wall. Here's the old-time pricing. Wow, it's really not that expensive now. French roll, coffee roll with butter is 15 cents. 2 donuts with coffee is 19 cents. Okay, so we had a blast in Philippe's.
Amazing, amazing.
Tell us what you got, Pam.
2 t-shirts for $39.
Whoop, whoop.
The original Philippe's.
Got a long sleeve one.
Yep.
And I got the short sleeve one. But what did you get to eat?
Oh, we had a ham dip, double dip with macaroni salad and pickled eggs.
And I had the coleslaw along with my half of my ham dip.
Yep.
and bottle of water, which was interesting that the bottle of water was $2.10. However, which isn't outrageous here in California. However, you could have gotten a glass of lemonade or an iced tea for 80 cents. So essentially we kind of blew the budget on drink.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're on our way to Koreatown now. Go check it out up there, see what we see out here since we're in the midst of downtown Los Angeles. We'll see you soon. Here in Chinatown, this is the Metrolink station. I love how they accommodated the urban area around here. This is beautiful. You don't see this in a lot of places. It's not like we would see a Metrolink decorated in Anaheim other than to support Disneyland. Now we found our way to Homeboy Industries. Let's go see what they have good to eat. What are you finding?
Breads.
Breads! Does it say white hand bread, large? Oh wow, look at these. Pretzel buns. Look at that. Pumpkin Danish, just cherry Danish. Danish. Just looking, thank you. Carrot cookies, buttercream.
Nice. Look at those brownies.
Red velvet brownies, yeah. And they have merchandise in here.
Yeah.
Where it comes with
Water. Containers.
remotes. Okay, so we were lucky enough to go into Homeboy Industries, and the foundation, I guess, is a brilliant foundation where it helps the homeless. So we went in and I was able to buy a hat, and I'm going to say I'm going to use the hat for running, because it was my goal to get back into running this year. And Pam bought a shoulder bag, so we kind of helped a little bit, just in a small way, but I like
Every
that.
little bit helps.
Every little bit helps. That's what she said too, the lady that waited on us. That was great. Oh, we made it. Safe and sound from LA. Now we're gonna go find the elevator, go up, go over, go back down, go home. Thanks for spending the day with us. We had a fantastic time. I'm worn out though. That was a lot of walking we did today. Have a great one.